Hi. Well, here's my update for today. Last night I was able to get a little bit more sleep. And this morning I was feeling a little bit better when I first got up. But I'm not feeling very good on that right now. Both my ears feel like they have feel like they're infected. I don't feel like I'm in my right mind at all right now. I've still got a small fever. I got this draining feeling. Where stuff's draining. Oh, it's so nasty. My mouth, it smells like I got pure strep. My throat's still swollen. It's still hard for me to speak. It's very hard for me to try and eat anything, which I've barely even been eating at all. And I have no energy at all. So, day 3 so far. It's a little bit better, but not by much. This is still one of the worst things I can think of to go in and have done. So, I'll give everyone an update here later this evening. Let you know how this is going. Bye. Okay, so this is the end of day 3. I'm still running a small fever. My lymph nodes, my whole entire area from right in here is still swollen up very, very tightly. Still having a lot of trouble swallowing. As you can tell, my voice is still really messed up. I've lost 4 pounds so far. Still not able to eat a lot. But seems to be getting a little bit better. I'm hoping tonight that I'm able to get some sleep, because that's something I'm really lacking on, is sleep. They're draining all day long. This stuff will not stop draining. So, one of the bad things is, if I do doze off, I end up choking. So, I've brushed my teeth I don't know how many times today, getting rid of the bad breath from, I guess, all the poison and all that stuff. But like I said, it is getting better. So I'll give you an update in the morning and let you know how this is actually progressing. You all have a good night. Thanks.